In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use temporary chat. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what temporary chat does, why it's useful, and the single switch you need to flip to use it confidently. Temporary chat is a simple way to have a private, short-lived conversation in ChatGPT that won't be saved to your chat history. It's available on both the web and the app. When you use it, your conversation isn't stored in your history, it isn't used for model training, and it isn't included in memory. Think of it like a clean workspace that disappears when you're done. Perfect for quick research, sensitive brainstorming, or anything you don't want showing up in your list of past chats. Here's how to turn it on. Go to the top right of the screen and toggle on temporary chat. That's it. Once the toggle is on, you can start typing as you normally would. You don't need to change how you ask questions or give instructions. Everything works the same way you're used to, just without leaving a trace in your saved conversations. A helpful mindset is to treat temporary chat like a whiteboard that gets erased when you leave the room. Because the chat won't be saved, make sure to copy any answers, code, or notes you want to keep before you close the session. If something is important for later, paste it into your own notes or a document so you don't lose it. This is especially handy when you're refining ideas, drafting text you'll move elsewhere, or testing prompts you don't need to keep. Temporary chat is also useful if you want to keep your main chat history tidy. Maybe you're experimenting, comparing approaches, or doing a quick calculation. Using a temporary session prevents your conversation list from getting cluttered with one-off threads. When you're finished, you can simply continue using ChatGPT as normal, or toggle off temporary chat in the same spot at the top right the next time you want your conversations to be saved to history again. Turning it on or off is always your choice, and you're in control of when a session should be temporary. To recap, temporary chat gives you a focused, private space for conversations that aren't saved, aren't used for training, and aren't added to memory. Toggle it on at the top right, do your work, and remember to copy anything you want to keep before you close. It's a small switch that can make your workflow cleaner and your privacy preferences clearer whenever you need it.